I hate the first layer of toilet paper because it's always like stupid, so let's just get rid of that. Oh. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a video. We are going to be doing an unboxing of a company that I recently discovered called Public Goods. So you may have heard of this company, you may not have heard of this company. I know that I never heard of this company until a couple of weeks ago, and I was like, what's this? Started looking through the website, saw that it was like, you know, sustainable, recyclable, all that kind of stuff. I'm like, okay, let's see what this is all about. And then I ended up with a box this large full of goodies. So today we're going to be unboxing this stuff and maybe doing a little bit of a review on it. I don't know if I'll get into like an in-depth review of any of this stuff since I just got it, but if you guys are interested in seeing a review like a couple of weeks or like months or whatever from now, once I've had a chance to like use everything for a little while, if you guys would be interested in seeing a review of their products, so let me know down below in the comment section. But for now, we're gonna get started with the unboxing. I don't even remember what I ordered. When I ordered this stuff, I think it took like less than like a week to get here, but I ordered this like a week or two ago and I just never opened it because I wanted to sit down and film this unboxing and I just haven't had time to do it. So because I ordered this stuff so many weeks ago, I don't remember what I ordered. So this is gonna be a surprise for the both of us. Let's see, what do I want to start with? Let's start with something that's like kind of boring and mundane. We'll start with these paper towels. These are tree-free paper towels. It says that they're stronger and more sustainable than alternatives to ordinary paper towels. Non-GMO, certified bamboo and sugarcane. Ooh, I like that. Chlorine-free, that's important. There's no trees, inks, dyes, fragrances, or BPA in this. I kind of want to open this and see. Also pay no attention to my nails. I don't know how visible they are on camera, but like, don't look at that. I like the fact that it's chlorine-free because they usually use like chlorine and stuff to like bleach the paper towels to make them like white. And these are still like pretty white. Like maybe it's the lighting in here, but this actually looks pretty white. I don't know on camera what it looks like, but in person it looks pretty freaking white for it to have not been bleached. So to go along with the paper towels, I also bought toilet paper. TT. Tree-free toilet paper. Try saying that 5 times fast. Sustainable bamboo and sugarcane pulp, which is technically both grasses, for our tree-free toilet paper because it's softer than paper and saves the tree. It's 3-ply. Ooh, like that. Comes in 300 sheets a roll, will last longer than standard rolls, 30% bamboo, 70% sugarcane, septic system safe, I'd hope so. If you have never used like a recyclable material, biodegradable, eco-friendly, whatever type of toilet paper, then like it's gonna be an adjustment because it's not gonna be like Charmin or anything like that. It's not gonna be ultra soft, angel soft, stuff like that. It is soft for what it is. So I've used, I think the only other brand that I've used regularly, I think it's called 7th Generation. I would say the 7th Generation is probably softer, but it's also thinner, if that makes sense. So you're gonna need like more like squares per wipe, if that makes sense. So I can understand why they say that it'll probably last longer. Oh, okay, I'm stupid. Probably if I knew how to read, I would have known this already. But I thought that this was just a sponge. Like I thought that this whole thing was a sponge. No, there's 4 sponges in here. So because I thought that this was all one thing, I bought 2 of them. Now I have 8. We love math. These are walnut scoring pads. I don't know if I just said that word right. I've never seen that word a day in my life. Toxin-free, hypoallergenic scoring pads made of durable material. Okay. Ground walnut shells, recyclable fibers, plant-based cellulose, and non-toxic adhesive. Why is there adhesive in my sponge? I don't understand that, but okay. There's no triclosan, detergents, and chemical cleaning agents in it. Is that normally in a sponge? Made in Canada. Cool. We love our Canadians, eh? Big Degrassi fan, in case you haven't already seen my Degrassi video. I personally prefer sponges that have like a spongy side on one side and a Brillo pad material, whatever, on the other side. But this kind of is just the same material all the way around. Next are these sanitizing lavender wipes. How do you open this? Oh my gosh. It smells like, not bleach. It does smell like a cleaning product, not bleach though. But I do, and also, oh, it smells like, this probably is not a good thing. You go to the doctor, right? you go to get like blood work done or something, and they take those little like alcohol pads and like wipe down your arm or whatever before they stick you with something. That's what this smells like. Eco-friendly, compostable, cruelty-free, and 99.9% effective against most common germs. Used for hand sanitizing to decrease bacteria on skin. When water and soap are not available, allow hands to dry without wiping. Because it says that it kills 99% of germs, I know this is a hand wipe, but I'm just wondering, like, could this be used on surfaces? All right, so this is bathroom cleaner. So one of the things that I thought was pretty cool about some of their products, especially the ones that come in like these little spray bottles, they're different cleaners and stuff, is that instead of buying a new bottle of cleaner every time you need one, you just can buy the little refills that they sell. I think you just pour this, well, once this is gone, obviously, you just pour this into here and then you fill the rest of it with water, and then you have a brand new, it's like you just bought a brand new bottle without having to continue to buy plastic bottles. The less plastic bottles people have to buy, the less that they have to produce. You see where I'm going with this. Bathroom cleaner provides effective plant-powered clean with subtle fresh scents derived from natural lemon and rosemary essential oils. It's tough enough to tackle your most down and dirty areas, but safe for your household. And there's no ammonia, butyl, sol, glyco, ether. Look, I minored in chemistry, but that was a long time ago. I don't remember how to say these words. Oh, I like this smell. I was not expecting to like this. I thought this was gonna smell like chemically. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells like really nice, really fresh. Like, I think it's the lemon. I think you get a lot of that lemon scent in here. So it smells really fresh. Oh, I love that. I can't wait to clean my bathroom. So this is hand sanitizer. Cool. I forgot that I bought this, but I mean, given the time that we're living in, I mean, why not? Our gentle, effective hand sanitizer is tough on germs, yet safe enough for kids and those with sensitive skin. Contains FDA recommended 62% ethyl alcohol, as well as glycerin and aloe vera to soften and moisturize hands. We love the moisture. We're here for the moisture. Let's see how this smells. Oh, I thought it was gonna smell like something special. I don't know why. Oh. If you put hand sanitizer in your hand and immediately stick your nose in it, it's gonna be very strong. So that was just me being an idiot. But you know, it just smells like straight hand sanitizer. So that was the 12-ounce bottle. They also make a 2-ounce bottle for like travel purposes. And they also make a hand sanitizing spray. Ooh, it's a nice fine mist. I love that. Disinfect doorknobs, keyboards, faucets, and of course hands. It's 99.9% effective against most common germs. Organic ethyl alcohol, cinnamon leaf oil, and botanical essence of juniper berry, lavender, and rosebud to create a delicate unisex calming scent. Yeah, the scent thing, I don't know what they're talking about. It doesn't smell like anything. What is this? Oh, lotion. I also forgot that I ordered this. I love the packaging of these things. It's like so like simplistic, minimal. Like, it's really cute. How do you open this? Oh, okay. Lightly scented with an invigorating blend of eucalyptus, mint, and citrus essential oils. Kid-friendly, gender-neutral, designed to hydrate and renew even the most sensitive skin. All right. I hope my skin doesn't break out from all the hand sanitizer and lotion. Ooh, this is kind of nice. Oh, I like this. It's very natural, like very fresh, and it feels really good. I keep talking about the smell. It feels really good too. Sometimes I put on lotion and then in like 10 minutes my hands are ashy again. So we'll see. As I go through the rest of this video, we'll see how my hands feel, if they're still like nice and moisturized, but this feels really good. I also got the little travel mini bottle of lotion. This is the 3-ounce one. I wonder if these are the same thing, just in smaller sizes. But see, this one smells different. I don't know why, but this one smells different. With this almost smells like, this smells like something I've smelled before. It smells like liquid hand soap that you would use like at a restaurant or even like at an airport, like places like that. That's what this smells like. Yeah, That's what this is giving me vibes of. Or even like if you've ever used the lotion at like a hotel, like how they give you like the little bottle of like lotion and shampoo and stuff in the bathroom. If you've ever used the lotion at like a hotel, that's kind of like what this smells like too. I don't know, if I had to pick, I probably would pick the bigger bottle. And I don't know if it's just like a weird batch that I got or something, like maybe they're supposed to smell the same, but they definitely don't. This definitely smells way better than this. Laundry detergent, yes, also forgot that I bought this. So this is laundry detergent. They're like little laundry detergent pods made entirely out of plants. It's formulated to tackle even the toughest stains without using anything unhealthy for you or the environment. It's hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, doesn't contain any harmful chemicals or synthetic fragrance, good for sensitive skin, works in hot or cold water. Really excited and looking forward to using this. Again, hopefully I don't break out from this. Hopefully it doesn't do anything crazy to my clothes. Hopefully it actually does get stains out. We'll see. Who knows? All right, next is the glass cleaner. Even though I don't have a ton of glass, I do have a lot of mirrors. So I use glass cleaner to clean my mirrors, obviously. Get a bright streak-free shine on any glass surface with our natural and safe plant-based glass cleaner. Does not use dangerous chemicals. Get sparkly clean glass without the risk of leaving behind chemical or residue, which can be harmful to you, children, and pets. They have the refills that come in these little tubes. So next are these candles that I got. So I got the lavender, vanilla, and the black currant. And let's see. Ooh, that is divine. I love this. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I'm impressed. Now here's the thing. Sometimes candles will smell one way before they're lit, and then once you light them, they smell slightly different. So hopefully this smells as good in the room when I light it as it smells when I stuck my nose in this jar, because that is amazing. And then I have the black currant one. Oh gosh, I think my hands are slippery from the lotion and the hand sanitizer. Oh, help. Ow. I think I just cut my hand. Okay. Maybe that's a sign. Oh, what the? I don't like this. I'm sorry. But if you don't know what a currant is, it's a fruit. This smells very, I'm not even gonna say it smells fruity. It smells very like florally almost. It smells like, almost like potpourri. It's like if you mix like potpourri with like a fruity smell, you got this. I think that's the only thing so far that like I just, it's a no for me. It is natural soy wax, cotton wicks, and essential oils. There's no lead dyes, BPA, or phthalates. And this is also vegan friendly, made in the US. They do have 3 different sizes. I got the smallest size because I just wanted to test it out. Down to the second to last item. This is the Mandarin Basil dish soap. I'm trying to get away from a bunch of chemical things. And you know, we talked about toilet paper, which is going on your private areas, and we talked about lotion, which is getting absorbed into your skin. Laundry detergent pods, which is again going on your skin. Dish soap is also just as important because that's what you clean your dishes with, which is what you eat off of. So you want your food to be on things that don't have a bunch of chemicals in it, and that way your food's not absorbing those chemicals, if that makes sense. They break up grease, grime, and stubborn baked on foods. You won't find any harmful ingredients, dyes, or synthetic fragrances. It's also gray water friendly and biodegradable. It's gentle on your hands and your dishes. Juicy mandarin orange and basil essential oils do double duty with their soft and natural scent and powerful bacteria fighting agents. I'm very interested to see what mandarin and basil smell like together. Okay, I definitely smell the mandarin. The basil you kind of get like at the end. It's not very like basil heavy. It smells nice though. I like that. I'm looking forward to using that. And last but not least, I got these I think they're bamboo straws. Yeah, they're reusable bamboo straws if I can get them out of the bag. Oh, these are cute. And they say public goods. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, it says public goods on it. That's so cute. So I actually didn't order these. I really don't even use straws, to be quite honest. This actually came as a gift. I think at the time that I ordered this stuff, they were doing some kind of promotion or something where every order came with these, or like if you spent over a certain amount, it came with this, or something like that. So it comes in a pack of 6, and they're all the same color. They all look exactly the same. They kind of sound like pencils. straws with varying widths, making them just right for sipping everything from thick, creamy shakes to cool iced coffee drinks. Plastic straws are one of the biggest threats to marine life, and it is estimated that 8.3 billion plastic straws pollute the world's beaches. Bamboo is naturally antimicrobial, strong, and sustainable alternative. You probably can't tell, but these two, like this one on this side is smaller than this one on this side. Like the hole is smaller. So like smoothies versus like soda. And that is it. You guys have officially reached the end of my public goods unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of the products, feel free to leave that down below in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, ideas, or recommendations for items or companies or products that I should try next, be sure to leave that down below as well. If you would be interested in seeing an actual review of any of these products in terms of how they actually work once I've had a chance to actually use them, again, leave that down below in the comment section. And yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And benzalkonium chloride. Yep, probably didn't say that right.